Hello, this is Travis David. This is my observation for ATM 101. We're bringing you the weather from Tok, Alaska. This is my observation station here. There's possible trees. This is Tok. To the west, we have Fairbanks at 205 miles. To the east, we have Canada, about 90 miles, and to the south it would be Anchorage, which is about 285 miles. It's located in interior Alaska, Tanana River, Wrangell Mountains. And here is my weather observation plots. The week started out pretty cold, moving up at minus 18 on my first day, minus 19-ish. Kind of jumped around a little bit, but not a big variance. As the temperatures seemed relatively okay when I first started. It's not unusual for this time of year, but as you will see, that changed very fast. The values for the thermometer were relatively close. As the week progressed, the temperature did increase by almost 40 degrees, and then back down to roughly minus 11 right there. Wind speeds didn't seem too drastic for wind speeds. About a 1 and a 2 on the Burford scale. As I was doing my observations, I didn't notice anything, but looking at the temperatures and how drastically they changed, I'm guessing that that's probably not true. Maybe at nighttime something moved in, wind picked up, pushing warm air maybe into the area, but I did not observe that as it was happening. There were no clouds when it was colder, and between minus 19, 18, and then at the low point was minus 35, which happened at night. It dropped really heavily at night, and then started climbing for the rest of. On the next day, it started climbing really fast, almost all the way up to above 3 degrees. So that's almost that's like a 40-degree change, almost 40-degree change in temperature in a day or so. And when that change happened was when the cloud formation for Nimbus stratus was present, and that's where I think that night the wind started picking up and pushing, or low pressures were pushing, or high pressures. Not exactly sure yet, but and then it kind of balanced out and then dropped again at night when I did my last observation. And at the same time, you can kind of see where the pressure for the millibars was still in between 1020, 1025. Warmed up, it dropped about the same time, same time frame, and then it went back up when it got colder again. The temperatures for this region are in a continental area, so temperature changes can be drastic. I think our professor was talking about something called a Chinook that moves around. It will drastically change the temperature. I'm not sure if this was one of those occurrences, but it sure sounds like it. And that's my observation for this week. And I really didn't notice anything unusual. I didn't see any sundogs or any other signs other than that first day when it was really cold. It was super clear out. And then when it warmed up, it became very cloudy with nimbus stratus. There was some light snow in the middle of the week, but I mean it was almost like it would last half an hour or something, and it was gone. But it was not heavy snow at all. And that'll be it. Thank you.